Hello guys, welcome to the day 14. This is the last day of our home transformation course, and if you made it consistently all the way through 2 weeks, I'm certain by now you've noticed the difference. Today is all about interval training. We have 6 smaller workouts from 5 to 7 minutes each. All of them imply working in a high heart rate zone, so I hope you guys have done a good warm-up. First workout is 6 rounds and 2 exercises, where first exercise we're supposed to do in a steady cardio pace, and the second exercise is supposed to be explosive. We start with 30 seconds of pro ski jumps. Please prepare all the equipment in advance and test the move before the workout to make sure that you can jump over the object safely. Next is 20 seconds of frog leg curls, explosive work. Take a nice sharp exhale every time you bring your heels up. If the resistance is not enough, you can do single-legged curls or put a weight on your hips. To prevent cramps, warm up and stretch your hamstrings properly. After you're done, you rest for 20 seconds and start with the next round. Next workout, similar concept, different exercises. You have 30 seconds of cardio work, which is upper body work this time, and 20 seconds of explosive lower body work. Then 20 seconds of rest and 5 more rounds like that. We start with shoulder flies. Please make sure that the weight is appropriate so you can lift it for 30 seconds for 6 rounds. Exhale when the weight goes up, inhale on the way down. High knees. Not much to add here, just try to bring your knees as high as possible and swap your legs as fast as possible. 20 seconds of work and then 20 seconds of rest. Next 6 rounds is going to be core workout for the cardio part and a whole body exercise for the explosive part. We start with Russian twist. You can do with or without the weight, you can rest your feet on the floor or hang them in the air like me. So as you can see, there are plenty of options to scale the difficulty of this exercise. This is also the no weight option. After that, 20 seconds of start jumps. Start jumps itself is quite explosive exercise if you do it properly. So try to spread up your arms and leg as you jump and bring them back before you land. This is an easier alternative. 20 seconds of that and then 20 seconds rest and 5 more rounds. Starting from this round, we change the time ratio. We slightly extend the cardio part and the rest between rounds, and the explosive part remains the same. We start with side shuffles, 40 seconds. Don't forget to touch the floor every time you change direction. Next one, explosive push-ups. You can do any modification of push-ups that you like. You can do knee push-ups, you can use elevated surface as bed, table or chair. The main thing, push-ups are supposed to be explosive. Next workout. Same concept, different exercises. We do 40 seconds of punching and 20 seconds of explosive tuck jumps. 30 seconds of rest between rounds. 40 seconds of punching. Remember, you just have to slightly raise your heart rate. No need to push hard, so this is a cardio work. Make sure you're breathing properly so you can last longer. Jump tucks. Same as before. With the jump, you bring your knees as high as possible and try to bring them down before you land. 20 seconds of these and 30 seconds of rest before the next round. And the last 5 rounds, 40 seconds of core work and 20 seconds of working on our back muscles. 40 seconds of scissors. Try not to put your feet on the floor. You can change an angle, bring them higher or lower depending on how you feel. If you feel tired and you cannot bear anymore the burning in your core, you can do cycling as well. But try to stick to original straight leg scissors. Towel rows. I recommend you to experiment with this one. You can send your elbows apart or you can send your elbows along the body. Also, you can alternate a couple of reps with elbows apart and a couple of reps with elbows going along the body. Exhale every time you pull. That's the task for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let us know how you do in the comment section below this video and have fun.